Insight Makeup Essential HD Contour Color Corrector as well as Concealer Palette. Sounds something new and interesting? Want to see a demo as well as a small review from my end? If yes, keep on watching. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. Now from initial intro as well as from the thumbnail, you all have already guessed, yes, today I am going to show you a demo of a recent launch product. Now you will say, why a recent launch product? Basically, I have purchased this product in the month of January, that is in the somewhere in near in end of January, but due to some other new launches, this product review just got postponed and today is the time when I am doing a demo as well as a review for you all. Yeah, before diving into the video, let me please tell you to kindly subscribe my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there is a small bell icon. You can hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future uploads. And since it is absolutely free, even you can ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. If at all you are wondering which lipstick I have on my face and which foundation I have used, all these makeup details I have given during the demo, so you can watch till demo. You will get all the detailed information on my lipstick as well as the foundation, that is the base. Right, now let's begin with the video. First I'll tell you the outer packaging. The outer packaging of this palette, of this particular palette, I'll put it inside and I'll show you, is kind of, you can say, a black box. You can see this is the black box. And if the ring light is reflecting, then I'm extremely sorry. It says Insight Makeup Essentials. Only on front they say that. On both the side they say Insight. On the bottom, on top there is nothing, because over here you can see all the details. And on the bottom they have given you 8 details. First is paraben free, vegan, cruelty free. Once you open the palette, the shelf life, that is the shelf life of this product is 12 months, but the manufacturing and expiry I will definitely tell you, it is made in India product. These are the basic details. You can say these are the not exactly key features, but these are the basic details given on the bottom. And this palette, when you open, it doesn't open from top or bottom, it opens from the side. From the side, I'll just open and I'll show you. First I'll open the palette, I'll take out the palette, and then I'll show you the back side. Now this is the back side of the box. If you can see over here, it is given medium skin. Okay, and these are all the details given. I'll just read little bit for you. It says Insight Makeup Essential HD Conceal, Correct and Contour Palette. Okay, the manufacturing is January 22. As I told you, this is January 22, and when I saw this on this particular product on Nykaa, yes, I got this product from Nykaa, but whatever the buying links and everything, it will be given in the comment section. It will be pinned, so you can go ahead and you can buy it. You can make your own purchase, right? When I saw it on Nykaa, I was a little bit confused, so I contacted Insight Cosmetics on their WhatsApp number. I confirmed with them whether this is a new launch or no. Then they confirmed, yes, this is a new launch product. So that is why I have purchased and I went ahead and I'm reviewing for you. Okay, this is January 22 manufactured and it is good till December 25. Basically the shelf life is for 4 years, January 22. So 22, 23, 24, 25. So total 4 years. But once you open the palette, till 12 months they say. But sometimes if the product is not like giving you any bad smell, or it's not smelling bad or something, or it is giving you good payoff, then you can use it little longer. It's up to you how you want to use, right? The MRP of this particular product is 285 rupees. Yes, and in this you get total 12 grams of product. So total 6 shades in one palette. So altogether you can say 2 grams per shade. So total 12 grams, right? And in this you are going to get 3 different types of palettes, that is 3 shades they have included. One is for light, second is for medium, and third is for deep, right? This is actually, I have my notes over here, so if at all you feel, I'm just checking my notes so that I don't make any mistake. These are the 3 shades, light, medium and deep, available. And I'll just tell you few of the key features of this particular product. They have already given that on the box itself. It says long wear, easy blendable and creamy formula, waterproof, covers discoloration and blemishes, evens out the skin tone, and paraben free. That is what they have given you over here, right? So these are the basic details. Now when we talk about the inner packaging, actually you can move, like take out this plastic, but I don't want to take it out. I just want to keep it as it is, so that there are the the palette doesn't get stretched or something. It says Insight Makeup Essential HD Conceal, Correct and Contour. That is what is given on the front. And on the back they say this is for medium skin. If you can check over here, it is given it is for medium skin, but the manufacturing, the expiry and all is not given on the palette. So if at all you want to throw away, as I always say, you can make a tag or something for manufacturing and expiry and you can throw away if at all you want. Right now they have given you this detail about each and every shade. You can say 1 2 3 4 5 6. So if you turn the palette, you can say this is the first, let me see, this is the first palette, this is the second, this is the third, 4 5 and 6. And if at all you can see my ring light is reflecting, then I'm extremely sorry because this is a reflective surface. Now I'll just tell you, shade number 1, that is the shade number 1 is for medium skin tone, which is with for yellow undertone. The shade number 2, let me see, okay, shade number 2 is for medium skin tone, it is for neutral undertone. Shade number 3 is for medium skin tone with yellow neutral undertone. Shade number 4 again is for medium skin tone, it is neutral undertone. Shade number 5 basically is for contouring, and shade number 6 is orange color corrector. So all you have all the 6 shades in one palette. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yeah, so I have told you about the palette and all. Now you will wonder how come this is a new launch product. Then you must be wondering, Insight Cosmetics earlier, I'll put up an image over here if possible, they had the round kind of palette. In that they used to have two things. One used to be for color correcting and all, and one used to be for like concealing. So they used to have two shades, and I think both used, one retails for 199 and other one for 190. That is, I think color corrector is for 199, I'm not sure, but one is for 199 and one is for 90. Sorry, one is for 199 and the other one is for 190 rupees. So I don't have that, otherwise I would have compared that also for you, but I don't own that, and that is why I went ahead and I purchased this kind of a palette, right? And that used to be called Insight Makeup Essential Pro palettes, concealer palette as well as the corrector palette, and this is the HD palette. So there is a difference between the names also. That used to have I think 15 grams and this is having 12 grams. So there is a difference between the grams also. This is little bit less expensive, that is little more, but that is for Pro, and that is, now you can say, little previous launch, and this is the recent launch. So what this palette, so sorry. Now what we will do, we will just move towards the demo where I have used all these products on my face. That is all this, not all the shades, 1 or 2 shades I have used on my face. The corrector as well as, sorry, the concealer as well as the contour shade I have used on my face, and right now what you can see is after using that products only I have done my full face off makeup. So now we'll move towards the demo. Yes, now we'll move towards the demo. Before that, I would just like to tell you the two important details. The foundation which I have used is from Insight Cosmetics only. It is the second ultra thin second skin foundation. I have separate video for this. I'll link that video up in the I button as well as in the description box. So if you want, you can go ahead and you can check the review and demo of this particular product. As well as for the lips, I have used this Insight Cosmetics matte lip ink in the shade Myth. I have altogether 5 shades, and for that also I have one separate video. Same, I'll link that video up in the I button as well as in the description box. So if you want, you can go ahead and you can watch that video. Now we'll move towards the demo. As I said earlier, this is the palette. Now I'm going to use the shades. Already the shades and all I have told you during the intro part, so I'm not going to repeat. What I'll do is I'll try to take, I guess this is the perfect match right now for me. Right now what I'll do, I'll take this shade for my under eye color corrector. This is basically the Pune store. Generally you can use this brush for foundation, or you can use this for for concealer also. What I'll do, I have this brush, but I will use my fingers, because sometimes if we are in a hurry and we just don't have any brush or something available in front of us, we can use our fingers also. So what I'll do, because they say you can either use your brush or your beauty blender or maybe your fingers, so I'm going to use my finger. And what I'll do is, I have applied the foundation, so underneath my eyes, wherever, I'll just apply this concealer. And this all are creamy shades. This is not powder like palette, this is creamy palette. This is little bit, you can see, darker than my foundation. You can see. So if at all you want, you can take this again lighter shades lighter shade. Once this shade gets little settled, you can use this lighter shade, that is the shade number 4 of this. Goes 1 2 3 4 5 6, so you can take the shade number 4 and then on this you can apply, because right now I can see it is little bit darker than my foundation, but I don't mind that because I have little bit heavy under eye dark circle problem. You can say heavy or you cannot, whatever, it's up to us, but for me it is little bit heavy. You all can see I have already applied. Just to dab, what I'll do is I'll use my beauty blender and I'll just dab it with the beauty blender just to tone it down little bit, otherwise it looks very stark dark. And I generally use the exact skin match for the concealer. I generally don't like to highlight my under eyes. That's what my preference is. If at all you prefer highlighting, then you can. Now can you see? One second, I'll just come little bit close. Can you see? Right, now I can see. Let me see in my mirror also. Yeah, I guess now it is proper. And this is now what we have used is this. Actually this palette you can use in 3 different ways: conceal, correct and contour. That is what is basically written. Conceal I have done. Correct I generally don't like to do. Earlier I used to do, but then I have stopped using corrector. Corrector, that is you can use the shade number 6, that is the orange color corrector. And for contour you can use the shade number 5. This is the shade number 5. What I'll do is I'll just use my fingers only to contour and then I'll do it with the beauty blender. Generally y'all know, then y'all know me, I don't contour. If you want you can contour your nose also, but I don't prefer. If at all you want, you can definitely do and contour. Suppose if you want, you can just powder it and you can make it sharp also, but I generally don't do it. I keep it as it is. You can see I have already applied the contour shade also on my cheeks here as well as here. Right now this is basically the palette I have tried to use in all the ways. Only corrector I have not used. Rest all shades also you can use if you want. As I told you, you can use the shade number 4 to highlight your under eyes, but I generally don't do, because you all know, you always see me like this only. Now what I'll do is I'll just, and for setting this contour and all, I have this Wet n Wild Contour Mega Last Mega Glow contouring palette. For under eyes I always use this banana powder. I'll use in front of you only, otherwise you will feel what am I using. For under eyes I use this banana powder only. Okay, and now what I'll do, I'll just go off the camera. I'll finish my rest of the makeup, that is the blush, liner, mascara. That's it. I'll just finish it off and I'll come back soon. Yes, now full face of makeup is done. You can see right now I have not mind well. I do not use any kind of filters. I don't want to repeat all that stuff again, but in my all my videos I do not use the filters. This is the natural what you are like you can see on camera. This is the way I have done my makeup. Now you all can see it is worked pretty well. Now you will ask me my final thought. Yes, of course, this is very creamy, very emollient. So I am not sure how oily skin person will use this, because if you can see right now on the palette also, if I have dipped my finger, you can see it is very creamy. So for dry skin, this is very good palette and I will suggest definitely you can go ahead, you can purchase. But right now for oily skin, I have not used on any oily skin person, so I cannot say for how long it will work. But for dry skin, this is the best. All the shades whatever they have given you, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, each and every shade is useful. Generally when we go and buy a palette, sometimes it happens out of 5 shades, out of 6 shades, 1 or 2 shades which like 1 or 2 shades are like which we cannot use. But in this shade, in this particular palette, I will say no, I will say definitely all the shades are useful for each and every medium skin tone person. 1 2 3 4, whatever is your undertone, they have not given only for yellow undertone, or they have not given only for neutral undertone. They have given for each and every under. In the end, if at all you want, of course I am going to attach the hand swatches and it will be single swipe, so you will have an idea how it looks single swipe. So for the color payoff and all, you will have an idea. And again I'm telling you, this is a creamy palette, this is not powder palette, because sometimes I do get questions whether it is creamy or it is powder. This is a creamy palette. Yeah, in fact, in and all, I will say Insight Cosmetics has done a very good job, and keeping the price point also in mind, made in India product, and they have 3 shade options as I told you in intro also. So keeping all these factors in mind, I will suggest you, I will say definitely go ahead and you can buy this product. Yeah, if you are watching till here, that means you are liking my content. If yes, give it a huge thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, ask them also to subscribe my channel. And if at all you have any other video suggestions which you want me to make a video on, let me know that also in the comment, or else I'll give you my Instagram handle also on the screen. You can DM me over there. I'll try to fulfill your request as soon as possible. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.